Okay, so we are well into the 2023 baseball season, and my St. Louis Cardinals are stinking. So I decided to do something fun and just open up some Topps Chrome and kind of see what we pull, and then go ahead and list it and see if the $70 price tag was worth it. So here I am opening up the Topps Chrome Mega Box. This was purchased from Walmart, and it ran $64.95, I believe. So with tax, it was just over $70. So it's 7 packs, 42 cards total, and we're just going to open it up, and then we're going to divide it into lots and see if we can recoup our money. So just a little experiment, and have a little fun opening packs. So I hope you enjoy, and stick around. At the end of the video, I will show the listings. We'll have a follow-up video with the monetary breakdown once the cards are sold. So thanks for watching.
Okay, here's what we got from opening the Mega Box purchased at Walmart. After taxes, I paid $70.24. So let's do a little experiment. I'm gonna list this in 3 lots on eBay, 7 days starting at 99 cents, and we'll see how much they sell for. First lot will be all the base cards, the rookies and the veterans. Second lot will be the 10 X-Fractor retail exclusive, and there's some decent ones in here. Decent rookies, Cade Cavalli, Adley Rutschman, Jordan Walker. So we'll list that as a single lot. And then the big dollar card, hopefully, is this Yainer Diaz rookie autograph, and numbered to 99. This is Houston's #2 prospect. So this card alone hopefully will bring back the money for the box, and we'll see how we do. We'll do a breakdown after the auction is over and see what we come out with. So thanks for watching. Okay, so here's our listings. We've already got bids, so literally just put these up. And our Diaz rookie card, see there, 23 out of 99. It's already sitting at $5.50 with $3.50 shipping. So that's good. And then we've got the X-Fractor 10 card set, or 10 card lot. Adley Rutschman, Cade Cavalli, Jordan Walker, some of the other rookies in there. And we started that one out at 99 cents. And last but not least, well, probably least, is the base cards. There was 31 total, with I believe there were 19 rookies in there. One was actually a refractor, that bottom one right there. Yeah, so we're gonna see how these all go. They're all 7-day listings with 99 cent starting price. So if you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Here in about a week, we will have a follow-up video where we break down what these actually sold for and see if we turn a profit. So thanks for watching.